What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to quickly unsubscribe all your YouTube subscriptions at once. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Begin by opening your browser and navigating to youtube.com. From here, make sure you're logged in to the Google account from which you want to remove all subscriptions. This process is irreversible. Go to the Subscriptions tab and click on Manage. Right-click the page to open the console window by selecting Inspect Element. In the console, paste the script provided in the video description. Execute the command and it will automatically remove all subscriptions. Make sure you're not using an incognito browser window, and all your past YouTube channel subscriptions will be unsubscribed. It's a quick and hassle-free process to declutter your subscription list. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.